Hi, this is Sameer Verma from Alpha Value Consulting. Today we will discuss about valuation of real estate company. In general, asset intensive company should be valued through adjusted net asset methodology under asset approach of valuation after considering the fair value of all the assets. There is a difference in valuing an idle asset on market value basis and valuing an asset which is generating income. This is because life cycle of real estate development makes it important to understand the revenue model of the real estate company. So it becomes important before doing valuation to understand the cash flow generating capacity of real estate company where income approach becomes more predominant. Another factor which need to be taken care of is availability of credit. This is greatest risk appetite factor for the real estate companies, which directly affects its cash flows and financial solvency. Higher rate of lending or raising funds from private equity investor in case of non-availability of funds may entail lower valuation of the company. There are various tax and regulatory implications which should be analyzed in valuation, like provision of section 5627B and 56.210 of Income Tax Act 1961. Further, stamp duty implication should be taken care of while evaluating the transfer of any fixed asset. In the given circumstances, strategic and financial factors by and large called as barometer, which can be used to gauge the major shifts in valuation of real estate company. Thank you so much.